Hello everyone, welcome to LeadWave. In the last video, we have seen a module called Chatbot Flow. Interestingly, in LeadWave, there are two different modules. One is Chatbot Flow and second is AI Chatbot. Today in this small tutorial video, we are going to see what is AI Chatbot. So AI Chatbot works with ChatGPT, Gemini and DeepSeek. Okay, so you go to AI Chatbot from the left hand side menu, go to settings first, then add your first AI provider. You just have to click on add your first provider, give any name, select the provider type. We have Gemini and OpenAI. DeepSeek is not there. So I'll select OpenAI. I'll paste my key here and select any one you wanted here. If you have a premium subscription, then select for Turbo or select ChatGPT 3.5. Temperature you can set to by default max token. If you are giving your key to your customers to use, then you can restrict the number of tokens they use for chatbot. To make it active, just click on create. Okay, so the setting is done. When I go to chatbot, you need to create a chatbot here. Okay, now how this is going to work? First of all, you need to make sure that if you are setting for a AI chatbot, there is no chatbot flow or auto replies configured on the same number. If you are using AI chatbot, use a separate number for it. So let's go to AI chatbot, create a new chatbot, give any name here, select the provider we have added. Description you can write anything, and here is the interesting part. Okay, so let's go to ChatGPT and give me a random company information to test Airbot. Name, location, product and services, owner's name, on necessary information. So this is for a test purpose. What you need to do is you need to specify the information about your company, your services, your phone numbers, your location, your owner's name, etc. Okay. So we are using ChatGPT to generate some random information here. So he have created a random information. Let's copy that. Let's paste it here. Okay. Now, personality and industry, you can select anything. I'll write friendly here. Keep the industry as general. It has given some notification. Avoid using the same WhatsApp number. I will explain this in the beginning. Okay. Now, I will select the number which I'm going to use. Now, you need to specify the triggering keyword. Okay. So, I will write start. May the click on add. I will write end to end the conversation. The chatbot is active. Just click on create. Okay. Let's does this. I have a mobile connected here. The trigger word is start. So I'll write start here. Okay. So it has given me a reply. How can I assist you today? If you have any question about Solar Nova technologies or our products, feel free to ask. So I will write, where is your office? Question mark. So it has replied, our headquarter is located at 4250. Okay, we have created random information. So it has given some broad addresses and details. Give me your contact number. The date has given the contact number. Who is the owner? Okay, so basically, the reason why I've explained you this, you need to fill up all the information pertaining to your magician. What kind of a product you deal in, where is your office, what is your working hours, office working hours, etc. So the more detail you give, the more efficient reply it gives. Okay. So I hope you understood how the AI chatbot flow works, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.